Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add font in your CapCut. To do that, first of all you have to close your CapCut because we need to install a font, and to do that if you don't close your CapCut it will not show in your CapCut. Then you have to go to Google and here you have to go to website.font. This is a website where you can get thousands of font for free. So once you are here into this website, you have to look for the font which you like. So here on the top bar, this is a style. So I just want a logo type. So I will just go to the logo. By the way, you can always search font by the name and you will be there. So here, this is the logo type, which is not what I wanted, but I just want to go to here, a comic type. I can choose my style and this is, I like it. Then I will go to download, and here in just few seconds it will get downloaded. Depends upon where you save your file. So guys, this is the font file here. I will extract it. I will right click and I will click on extract all, and I will click on extract. So this is here and you have to just tap and open it up, and here you will get an option of install. So just wait till it get installed. Generally it take only 1 second. It is already installed here. Now you have to just remember the name of the font. So here it's Comica. Now we will open our CapCut. Guys, our CapCut is open here. Now I just want to add a font. I will go to the text option here on the top left side corner and I will click on plus icon. I will drag it up and I will put it here and increase the duration. Right now here I just write whatever words I have to write here. So I will just write here subscribe. Right, so here you can see this is font, and if you just scroll a little bit down you will find font style. So this is font style. Click over here and here you can see there's a different types of font which is already given by CapCut. You can always download it up and install in your CapCut. By the way, I have shown you a different way, and here we can just always look for it. So guys, this was the font which we installed just now. That was Comica Access. I will click it and here you can see the style of our font has been completely changed. You can always change the color and the style of the font, and this is how you add a font over CapCut. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.